NeedleMeister love wasting people time. What the hell are we going to do with this new idea you are teaching us? Many said this in our last discussion. Well, as you can see on the screen, we are going to make pockets of heat. Welcome to NeedleMeister. I am olabanjoisaiah. Here are two pieces of length 5 inches and width 2.5 inches. We're gonna stitch both together. The next is to open the seam. We're gonna cut it into halves. Invert the position. Stitch them together. Kindly note that the stitches throughout were 0.5 inch. I want the size of each box to be 1.5 inches, both length and breadth. And as a matter of fact, that's square. Square has all of its 4 sides equal. Let's trim the infold. We're gonna lace the sides with hemming-gum. Now see what we have here. This we are going to place on our material. Let's hold it down with hemming-gum. With thread that perfectly match, we are going to stitch each box. Next, we are going to mark center of each side. This we are going to tack with needle and thread. We are going to tack this point several times, maybe twice or thrice. See what we have here now. Then here comes the magic. Let's do this on the pressing bed. I guess I'm better on the flat table. Let's press the center well with iron. I need at least 4-inch wide for the pocket. So with 2 set at the center, I'm marking the 4-inch. Okay, so I'm just doing this to know how much I need for the pocket. This is the interfacing I'm going to use for the pocket. It is of length 5.25 inches and width 4 inches. I will fold this into halves to know its center, because it is very important that we set its center directly at the center of this box too. Let's press it with iron. Let's trim out the excess. See what we have here. So we need bias to pipe the side of this. Let me explain to you what cutting along bias means with this material, because I already cut the tape, the bias taping, before I started this video. This is the length of the material, while this is the breadth. To cut diagonally like this means you want to cut out bias. Cutting diagonally along fabric simply means bias. When you stretch this cut out portion, you're gonna see that it is stretching like an elastic. So that's the meaning of bias, and in likewise manner I cut this. Please hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to the channel, and also give me a thumbs up on this video. If this video has added value to you, please give me a like, and also I would like to read your comment in the comment section. Let's trim out the excess. We are going to lace the bias round with MA gum. Now you see how simple it is. Thanks so much for being part of this class. Please hit the like button. Please, if the video added the value to you, hit the like button, and also the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Turn on your notification bell that you may always be the first to watch every video coming from NeedleMeister. I love you all.